So this morning we're replacing the cigarette lighter adapter, or actually it's just a cigarette lighter hole as I call it. And this is a 96 Ford Ranger, and it's about the same. I mean, the dashboard on that '04 Ranger is exactly the same. But basically, here are the steps, and it's really easy. Up underneath the bottom, just below the radio, are two screws that you have to take out, and they are either 7mm or 9/32. I'm not sure. Either one will fit. But once you take those two out, you just grab a hold of this black piece, whatever color yours is, and you can really just start pulling around the edges. So you pull this out. Obviously I have it loose already. Let it hang down, or mine's sitting on the gear shift, but however you need to prop it up. But here's your cigarette lighter. Now there's only two wires. Oh, and if you want to take the fuse out before you do this, I don't think you have to because I think it's ACC powered. It's fuse number 17, I believe, but you might want to go check that. So fuse number 17. So once you get inside here, taking it out is fairly easy. There's one wire on the back, and then a ground. I'm assuming this is ground. Pull that off. And then basically what you're doing is you unscrew this. So you start unscrewing that. It's hard to do with one hand. Obviously, I think it's turning, so I think you get the gist. Let me do that with two hands. So once you unscrew the outside piece, you're left with this, and this just pops out. You could actually just buy this part to replace cheaper, but really the whole set was only like $7 to replace. You actually get the new insert and the screw-on piece and an actual cigarette lighter. It's like $7 or something. And that's basically it. You put your new piece in, put your wires back on. It's that simple. And I have another one that's down in the ashtray area that doesn't work. And they get voltage. And one way to measure to see if you get voltage is you can take a multimeter, put your positive lead here and your negative lead there, or either one actually, and it should show 12 volts when your key's on. If it's just directly connected to the battery, then it'll show 12 volts even if your key's off. But that's it. Pretty simple. Hope this helps. Anyway, sorry my hands are so shaky during this thing, but this port is actually on the battery, so you don't have to have the key on or anything. But if you want to check it after you get it in, put your positive lead on that little circle in there, and then your negative lead around the casing here anywhere, and you should show 12 volts or something close to that. Okay, and I did verify that fuse number 17 is for that top charging port or cigarette lighter port. So that is confirmed. A quick add-on for the one that's down here on the bottom. Same two bolts, same size, or no, screws that you take out. I think there's only two. I may have been missing some, but once you get everything out down here, you take out the ashtray, you take out the two screws at the top, you pull it out, and the connector on the bottom one is different. So you can't use a universal to replace it because the connector's like this, unless you cut off the connector and put a different one on it. But I'm just going to try to clean mine, but I did want to show you this, that the bottom cigarette lighter adapter wiring is different than the top one. So everything else is the same screws. Just keep digging till you get it out, and that is how you replace them. Just got to have the right part down there.